So let me guide you through the visualization piece, which is our dashboard area. That after you have created your graphics in the Explorer, you are able to create this kind of mosaic of data, and data that can be correlated or not. But for you, it's important to see in a single piece of screen, and you have access to what's really happening in the moment. You can see for now on this dashboard, we are seeing system information and seeing system information from the last hour to this moment, with information being refreshed every minute and with a resolution of 1 minute. Here on the system, we are checking information from our product components that make Statful, and we see information, for example, from CPU, memory, the load on the machine, and even information on disk space. What's the space it's currently occupied or free. You can also, in this part of the product, you can have quick access to specific points in time. Let's say I want to do a zoom in on a point in time between 9:16 in the morning until some point in time like 9:38. All the widgets are refreshed automatically with that kind of timeline. I want to see across all the information that specific point in time. And another very interesting feature associated to the tags that we saw on the Explorer is what we call templating. So you have some kind of hooks, tags that we call hooks, that allow you to easily switch context. So what we are seeing here is information around one of our pieces in our infrastructure, which is called Carbon. And we want to easily switch context to another application like we call Influx, which is our database. So with just one click, I've updated all this dashboard, all these widgets, and this entire dashboard with the new data from our database monitoring. You can navigate through these predefined or the pre-built dashboards that you have. So this was around system information. We have another one that is important to us, which is around the ingestion of our product. So understanding what's happening in terms of ingestion volumes on our product. So you can also navigate through the dashboards that you have created. And this, of course, is customizable to your needs. You create the dashboards you need. Another interesting feature is if you want to share data with someone that doesn't have access to Statful, and that person doesn't need to have access to Statful, you can easily download any of these pieces of data into a file and share it however it's easier to you, or directly send an email through Statful specifying the address name of that person, the address of that person, and then add some notes, say explaining why you are sharing and what is important on that piece of information. So you can really have everything on this kind of area and be on top of what's happening.